How to transfer crypto to another Binance user. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to download Binance and you must be fully verified in order for you to process everything here. So what you're going to do now is to check also if you're using the latest version of your Binance application. Now go to the upper right corner and then tap this icon, a hand with a crypto icon here. And then under pay, you have to click send. Now what you're going to do now is to copy or get the Binance ID of that receiver. So tap send and then here you have to look for Binance ID, or you can also see here pay ID. But for this time, for the meantime, you can only see here Binance ID, tap that one, and then paste the ID of the receiver here. After that, what you're going to do next is to click continue. After that, select a crypto that you want to send, but actually you cannot screen record that due to privacy concern. And then after that, you have to click this BNB. We're going to send a BNB from our spot wallet. And then after that, it will take you directly to this payment method. You have to recheck your payment method, spot wallet, and then payment currency, BNB, and then tap continue. So after you tap continue, then you need to enter the verification code sent to your mobile and also to your email address. Okay, so after that, click submit, and there you go. You will see here payment successful. So two payment methods, spot wallet paid with BNB. Okay, that is sent to another crypto user. And that's how easy it is to transfer crypto to another Binance user. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.